No one is talking about the secret method to make $5,000 per week on YouTube. No one, and you don't need to create videos or show your face. You don't even need to have a YouTube account, and you can still make $10,000 per week using this method to make money online 2022. It's completely free, meaning you don't need to invest any money, and it's available worldwide: United States, Japan, India, Philippines, Australia. You can do it from anywhere in the world. You just need to copy and paste this script once, and after that, you can turn off your computer or laptop and start to receive money in your bank account. If you want, learn step by step, so please check description. And if you follow this method today, you can start to make money online from this week itself. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Online, where I share finance and make money online related videos with you. And because I am sharing the secret method to make money online, which no one else is sharing on YouTube, please like this video and subscribe to the channel with bell notifications on to not miss any of my upcoming secret methods to make money online. So step 1 is to come over to YouTube. If you are using a mobile phone, I will suggest you to open YouTube on your browser. Click on 3 dots and select desktop site. Once you open it, I want you to search for wrestling moments in the search bar. As you can see, there are many videos on different channels getting over million views, and some of them even crossed 50 million views on a single video. But don't worry, you don't need to upload any video to YouTube. I want you to know that these topics get more than millions of views per video. Now, if you open any of these channels like this one, you can see that most of their videos cross over million views, and this gives birth to a big opportunity which can make you $10,000 per week. And the catch is that almost all of these YouTubers don't know about this opportunity, which I am going to reveal you today. But before that, I want you to shortlist 5 to 10 channels like this. Just make sure that they get over 1 million views in at least 10 of their most popular videos. You can find different channels from here, and you can check them one by one and shortlist them for this method. Now, the second step is to open your shortlisted channels one by one and go to their About section. Then scroll down, and you will find this View Email Address option. Click on it and then check on this I am not a robot and submit. Then it will show you the email address to contact this YouTube channel owner. Also, if you don't find any email address here, just simply open any of their videos and check their description. There are best chances that you will find their email address in the description of the videos. Now, I want you to save all of the emails in your Google Sheets so that we can use it later. You can use the same format as you can see on the screen: name of the channel, niche of the channel, and their email address. I will blur these emails because of security reasons, but you can always find them on their channel. Now, leave this page open like that, and we will come back to it later. The third step is to come over to the site called Digistore4.com. Digistore24 is an affiliate network where you can find different digital and physical products to promote and can get up to 90% in affiliate commissions. But if you know this platform already, this is not what you think we will be doing here today. It's complete new method which no one is sharing on YouTube, so keep watching to make $10,000 per week with this method. The registration process on Digistore24 is a bit complicated, so pay close attention to it. For this, you have to click on Register Now button. Then on the next page, select some unique username for yourself and make sure it is at least 6 digits long. I will choose for this, and in the next box you can see that your affiliate link will look something like this. Now scroll down and fill in your valid email address, create your password, select your country, time zone, select your title according to your gender, fill in your name. The company details are optional, so you can leave them as blank. Next, fill in your valid address, your country, and your phone number. Then again, Skype name or Telegram ID is optional, and you can leave them as blank. Then simply read these privacy policies and check on this box and click on Register for Free Now button. Once you log into Digistore24, dashboard will look like this. Right now, every stats is showing 0 because this is new account and only promo clicks are there because I have started to work on this account from today itself, and I will share with you my results in a new video coming next week. So make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel with bell notifications on to not miss out on that video. Now, for this method, I want you to click on the Marketplace option on the top, and it will take you to this page. As you can see, you can choose from different category of digital products available on the site, like business and investment, computer and internet, dating, love and relationship, email marketing, etc. Most of the times I choose digital products because they doesn't include any shipping and there is no issue related inventory shortage, but for today's secret method to make money online. The winning product is a physical product, so I want you to click on physical products and select supplements, and it will show you many physical products, and there are pages and pages of results. Now for the fourth step, I want you to select this product called Medicare. It is a weight loss product and it is paying 85 commission, which becomes 158 Japanese dollars, and which is approximately 122 US dollars. You can also check the sales page of Medicare by clicking on here. It will show you how the page will look like to other people. Also, you can see that this product is ranking on top, and it has 28 conversation rate, which means out of every 100 people you send to this page, 28 of them end up buying this product, and you earn 128 US dollars for each sale, and it is very easy to get over 200 sales in a week with the secret method that I am going to reveal you in this video. Now I want you to click on this promote now button, and it will give you your affiliate link for this product, which you can use to promote this product with today's secret method and can make up to $10,000 per week. The fifth step is to come over to YouTube again, and as I showed you earlier, these videos are getting over millions of views on each video. And the twist is that almost 95% of these YouTubers don't know what affiliate marketing is and how they can make thousands of dollars per month by just promoting products from networks like Digistore 24, and we can take advantage of this opportunity by partnering up with some of these channels for sharing some profit out of affiliate commissions that we earn. Don't worry, I will give you a complete script of how you can partner up with these channels. But now imagine for a second, even if only 200 people out of these millions people buys the product through your affiliate link, you will be making $12,200 per week by just sharing your affiliate link in this video. And even if you share $2,200 out of your profit of $12,200 to the YouTube channel owner, you will still have $10,000 per week in pure profit. And this is possible if you follow the next step in this video. You just need only one YouTube channel out of all the 10 YouTube channels list we created to make $10,000 per week with this method. Now the step number 6 is to copy this script, which I have written for you. Basically what I have included in this script is that hi channel name or owner name. For example, hi Make Money Alan, I am affiliate marketing expert and I help channels like you to earn extra 10 to 30 per month using different audience monetization methods other than AdSense revenue. Don't worry, you don't need to pay for anything, neither I charge for it. That is completely free, and you can start to earn $10,000 to $30,000 from the first month of working with me. And also YouTube allows it, and it is under YouTube guidelines. So if you are interested in it and want more information about it, please let me know, and I will share the details about this deal. Now just copy this script and come over to gmail.com, then click on compose mail and paste the copied script here in this box. Now copy the email ID of first channel from Google Sheets and paste it in this box and just send this mail. You have to send this email template one by one to all of these 10 YouTube channels you shortlisted, and when the channel owner will see this email from you, they will be interested in this offer, because who don't want to make an extra $10,000 to $30,000 per month? And when you receive the reply from some of these channels for more details, you will copy the second mail template which says, thanks for replying, we are working on a project where we promote the products through channels like you, and you earn a commission on every single sale. You can get up to $20 to $50 commission per sale, and with my experience in this field, for every 100,000 views you will get 100 sales and a profit of $2,000 to $10,000 per video. I will provide you the tracking link of the product, which will help us to track the number of clicks and sales from your channel, and you just need to include a 30-second shout out to the product in your video and include the tracking link and a disclaimer in the description of your video. This process is completely transparent, and I will share the weekly report with you for your clicks and sales, and I will pay you your commissions at the end of each month. If this sounds good to you, we can start working from this week itself. You will handle the video part of the deal, and I will track the clicks and sales parts of the deal. Once you send this reply, there are 90 chances that they will accept the offer. After that, you just need to copy your link from the Digistore 24 and share the link with them. Also search for affiliate disclaimer for YouTube on Google. Read these disclaimers, and you can copy any of this disclaimer which you like and share the same with these channels. And now you can start to make $10,000 per week with the secret method To make money online 2022. And if you want to make even more money online, then click on the video showing on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.